Hello, my name is Alicia Williams. I'm a captain with Miami-Dade Fire Rescue. Today, Miami-Dade is supporting the 13th annual Summer Splash event where kids are learning to swim today and also promoting drown prevention. The #1 killer of children between the ages of 1 and 4 is drowning, especially here in South Florida where we're surrounded by oceans, canals, and pools. So we want to stress the importance for parents to understand that they need to provide barriers in their home for parents that do have pools, as well as the difference between swimming out in the ocean and swimming in a pool. The most important thing that we're here to stress is that kids need to learn how to swim, and their parents need to take an active role in making that important because we live here in South Florida.